let's review the Makita AVT HR3210C. Right, it's about 850 watts, so it's quite powerful. And that's a baby. It's 5 kilos. That's the category. It's got a handle. You can move about whatever position you want it at. I'm telling you, come back. Gosh, these machines, incredible. Right, once it's done, you have basically 3 settings which are here. Let's have a look at them because it's quite important. It's got 3 settings. That is hammering only, that's drill only, and hammer drill only. And that's about it. Then you've got the speed, which go from 1 to 5. The handle is cushioned, so if you press that, you can see that it's kind of correcting for the vibrations. So that means when you have a lot of vibration when hammer drilling, that will take some of it off, and it's good for your hands because obviously you want to hammer drill for a long time. When you buy the machine, it's all in the box. So you have masonry drill bits, the grease, normal drill bits, which are not SDS, which are going to use with this chuck. You can plug it into the machine, and then you'll be able to use that or any other one except the SDS Max, because this is an SDS Plus drill bit. And then you've got some masonry chisels. Okay? Now let's see why you have grease here. What is that for? Before starting working, you need to get these drill bits in the machine. So what you do is you take the grease here, take that off, and then put some grease in it every time, otherwise you won't get in. There we go. Then it should be much easier to do that. There we go. That's it. Now we can work. That was easy, but let's try with a bigger one, still in limestone. I know that's the only limestone I have, so let's try with that, okay? Here we go, that was easy. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed yourself. And see you next time for another review. Thanks so much indeed. Bye bye.